Hey everyone! Today I wanted to do a pot of gold nail design. I'm using Del Sol's Go Green or Go Home color changing polish, a white polish, a gold polish, a top coat, medium gold glitter, and a dotting tool. Now let's get started. Start with your ring finger by applying the white polish. Then apply the gold polish to your middle finger. Next, apply Del Sol's Go Green or Go Home nail polish to your thumb, pinky, and index fingers. With the second coats of white and gold polish still wet, use your dotting tool to apply the glitter to the outer side of your ring finger. Then, sprinkle the glitter on your middle finger. Next, use the dotting tool and Go Green or Go Home nail polish to paint a small shamrock on the middle of your nail by making 4 little hearts in the shape of a clover. Then, give your shamrock a little stem. Finish it off with a top coat. Here's what our pot of gold nail design looks like without sun, and here's what it looks like with sun. I hope you enjoyed our design today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.